amazing place where the seas
I wonder if there's anything that can absorb this weight on me.
I know. Nature Valley sponges.
Nature Valley sponges?
Yes. All you do is rip a Nature Valley sponge into smaller, bite-sized pieces, eat them up, soak the fat right out, come right out the other end. Obesity is the #1 cause of car and elevator accidents in America every year. I don't want to see you get in an elevator or car accident. So, my colleagues and I have developed a new rapid weight loss technique known as the sponge. As easy as eating an everyday meal, the sponge is simply torn off into small pieces and ingested orally. While inside of your stomach, the sponge absorbs fats and other nutrients that you don't want after you've eaten, or even before then, sucks all the fat right out of you, then comes out the other end 2 weeks later. And in 2 weeks, you've lost up to 10 pounds.
Oh, really? That was delicious! And look how much weight I lost! Thanks, Nature Valley sponges!
So how does it work?
I'll tell you how it works, Charlotte. The tiny microfibers in each sponge contain the element HJ, an element foreign to our country and is found deep in the depths of Timbuktu
And Egypt, right?
Right, Egypt.
And we got a little bit of Honduras in there too, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Just a bit.
The absorbency of the sponge is also from the element QP. QP actually sucks only fat into the sponge. So nothing good that your body needs, like calcium or potassium, gets sucked into the sponge. Nothing but pure lard.
And right she is.
So let's see how this sponge absorbs and how much. Here we have a cup full of water mixed with just a bit of another element we have that we cannot tell because it's
Top secret?
and it resembles the lard in your body. Watch as the sponge soaks up all the water. Oh, go back. Got a little spillage there. Soaks up the whole cup full of water. Do you see that, ladies and gentlemen? The whole cup. Let's wring that out. See, look, these can be reused. If you are limited in funds and can't purchase a new sponge, you can actually send it back and to the sponge cleaners and just extract it from your commode, send it to the cleaners. We will clean it out. It can be ripped into pieces and reused once again. Let's watch. Let's see how long it takes this here sponge to actually start dropping water.
Take a look at this. Nothing yet. It's been about a minute.
Oh, there we go. A little bit of drippage.
drippage.
See? How long was that?
10 minutes. About 10 minutes.
Yeah, wow. So as you can see, the sponge is absolutely incredible. It's small, can be ripped into however big you decide your oral canal is, or you can have them specially ordered already cut into shapes of your oral canal.
Hola! Hola! Sir, can you come here really quickly? Sweet.
Here, try one of our delicious flavors. Grab.
I look great.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like to try our newest flavor, strawberry?
I guess.
Tastes just like strawberry.
It does taste just like strawberry.
Isn't it great?
It's delicious!
So, Bando, would you like to try our snow flavor?
Sure. Not bad!
that. Just like snow, isn't it? Kind of tastes.
Beautiful.
Has a little tint of evergreen. A tint of evergreen. I'm stuck in a sink.
Do you get stuck in sinks sometimes? Well, Nature Valley sponges are for you, too. No more getting stuck in sinks.
Do you get stuck in trash cans sometimes? How about elevators? I think you need a sponge.
Thank you, Nature Valley.
Thanks, Nature Valley Sponges. I lost 50 pounds eating the grappa flavored sponges.
Hey Sherman, what's wrong?
I had more side effects, including headaches, nausea, diarrhea, constipation and diarrhea, hysterical pregnancy, cancer, ovarian cancer, suffocation, choking, cramping, bloating, fatigue, and death is coming up.
Oh my goodness. See, ladies and gentlemen, we would like the effects of the sponge to be as beautiful on you as this greenery, but sometimes it can get ugly, like that shrubbery over there. All this talk of shrubbery is making me hungry for a sponge. See you guys later.
For 7 easy payments of $89.99, you can get the whole set of sponges.
But wait, if you call within the next 4 seconds, we'll throw in a second sponge and an order of sponges cut just the size of your world.
Which is like a spherical,
Tubular
tube, circle,
shape.
tube shape.
So, call now and lose those pounds. Complimentary sponge!
Well, that didn't go very well.
Dang it! And he needs a sponge. Jordan's having a little episode right now.
Too much sponges.
Yes, forgot to mention that. I think the side effects.
She was a good host, but oh yeah, she was. We had to fire her.
Yeah, it's too bad we had to let her go.
All these sponges, man, it gets me hungry. You want some? You want some sponges?
Yeah, you want to
Oh,
go?
let's go get something to eat. Let's go.
Well,
Let's go.
Charlotte has died from one of the side effects. She will no longer be on the show. That is not her talking in the background. And I will be taking over the show. Oh my gosh! You're back from the show.
That's right, I'm taking a hard line. Wow. Normally I'm soft, but I'm taking
We
a
have
hard
some
line.
haters out there.
Someone needs a sponge.
I'm taking a hard line.
Someone needs a sponge.
And 3 new voice messages.
Oh my gosh, it's her lucky day. Well, Rob, pick up your phone. I'm on the phone. That sounds good.
Little pieces. Caused by obesity. I can't do this. Breakthrough rapid weight loss. Idea.
Run away from me!
God, I'm such a badass. What were you like?
Valley.
Wait, there's more! I love sponge!
Diarrhea, constipation,
constipation and
I can't read the rest.
Don't film my feet. Stop it. Stop filming
Okay, let's get back to
the ped.
Oh, I forgot to do that.
Let's not do any more things that cause pain.
No, we still have 5 more things to do.
I do not endorse this project. I do not endorse this product. I want nothing to do with your sponge video.
Cut.
Say cut.
Cut.
Yeah. Cut.